Good morning, students. Welcome to Digital World of Pathania Public School. In previous lecture, we learned about gate, basic logic gates, AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. And today's in this video, we'll learn about the basic postulates of Boolean logics. Basic postulates of Boolean logics. Boolean logic algebra being a system of mathematics, Boolean logic algebra being a system of mathematics consists of fundamental laws. Consist of fundamental laws, and these fundamental laws are known as basic postulates. Basic postulate of Boolean logic. Boolean logic algebra being a system of mathematics consists of fundamental laws, and fundamental these fundamental laws are known as basic postulate of Boolean logic algebra. These postulates that state basic relation in Boolean algebra that follow. Mainly four postulates are there. Number one, postulate number one, if x not is equal to 0, if x not is equal to 0, then x is equal to 1. But if x not is equal to 1, then x is equal to 0. We have already know that. If x not is equal to 0, then x is equal to 1, and if x is not is equal to 1, then x is equal to 0. And second postulate, in second postulate, OR relation. OR, we have already learned about the OR truth table and OR gate. So OR relation is the second postulate, second fundamental laws. So OR relations, in OR relation, addition logic addition, and the symbol used for OR is plus symbol. In OR relation, you use the symbol plus, this plus symbol. So here 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, and 0 plus 1 always 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, and 1 plus 1 always 1. Okay. Now, third postulate, third is your AND relations. Third is your A and D and relations. Yesterday we learned about the AND gate and truth table. So here is the third postulate, AND relation. And AND relation means logical. Logical. Your O relation logical addition, and in AND relation your logical multiplication. Okay. OR relations logical addition, and in AND relation logical multiplication. 0 multiply. The symbol used for the AND relation is multiply symbol. Dot operator you can use here. 0 multiply 0 always 0. 0 multiply 1 always 0. 1 multiply 0 always 0, and 1 multiply 1 always 1. So this is your third postulate, or you can say third fundamental laws. Fourth one is, the fourth postulate is complement rules. Complement rules. In complement rules, zero complement is equal to 1, and one's complement you can write down in this way, or you can write down in this way, both are the same thing. You can write down complement is equal to always 0. So these are the four basic postulates of Boolean logic. Now we learn principle of principle of duality. Principle of duality. This is very important principle used in Boolean logic. This states that starting with the Boolean relation, another Boolean relation can be derived by number one, changing each or sign, and your or sign is plus sign to n and sign, a and d and sign, and your and sign is multiplication. You can use here just dot here. Number two, this state that starting with a Boolean relation, another Boolean relation can be derived by number one, changing each or sign plus to an and sign, and vice versa, changing each and changing each and a and d, and is a operator, and sign, and your and sign is your multiplication sign, to n or vice versa, or sign, and your or sign is plus sign. And number three, replacing each zero, every zero means by one, and each one replacing by 0. Clear, everyone? For instance, we take postulate number 2 related to logical relation, addition, or you can say or relation or logical addition, which state 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 0, 1, and 1 plus 1, 1. Now working according to the above guideline, plus is changed with multiply. This plus is changed with multiply. So where you plus 0, now you can write down here 0 multiply 0, and where you can plus 0 plus 1 is equal to always 1. So here 0 multiply 1 always 0, and where you write down 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, and here 1 multiply 0 always 0, and in addition you write down 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, but here when you replace it, so 1 multiply 1 always 1, which are nothing but same as that postulate number 3. Postulate number 3. And what is the postulate number 3? This is our postulate number 3. 0 multiply 0 always 0. 0 multiply 1 always 0. And 1 multiply 0 always 0. And 1 multiply 1 always 1. So this is the basic postulate, and these are your principle. These three are your principle, and four are your postulate of Boolean logic. So now we start about the basic theorem. This is very important topic. Basic theorem of Boolean logic, or you can say Boolean algebra. So your first property, number one, basic postulate of Boolean algebra are used to define basic theorem of Boolean algebra that provide all the tools necessary for manipulating Boolean expressions. Although simple in appearance, these theorems may be used to construct the Boolean algebra. So here your number one is properties of properties of 0 and 1. Properties of 0 and 1. So in first case, in A case, 0 plus x is equal to always x. 0 plus x always x. And in B, 1 plus x always 1. For example, we have only one variable x. So in x, with two values are there, either 1 or either 0. Only one value is there, either 0 or 1. 0 or 1. So for example, we want to prove this property of 0 and 1 using the truth table. So 0 plus x, 0 plus x, and x is either 0 or 1. For example, we take first time 0. So 0 plus 0 always 0. So 0 plus 0 always 0, and x is always our 0. So prove it. For example, this 0 0 plus x is 1, so we take the 1 here, is equal to 1. So this one and this one both are the same thing. So this is the truth table of 0 plus x is equal to 0. And for example, now we take this 1 plus x is equal to 1. 1 plus x is equal to 1. So for example, again you can write down 1 plus, you can write down here x either 0 or 1. For example, first time we take the 0. So 1 plus x is our 0 is equal to 1. So 1 plus 0 always 1 if you plus it. And if you write down 1 plus x is our 1, if we put 1 here, then also our answer is 1. So always 1 plus x is equal to 1. So if you add the 0, then your answer is 1. If you add the 1, your answer is always 1. So this is the property of 0 and 1. And 0 plus x always x, and 1 plus x always 1. And number third is C. Number C is 0 multiply x always 0. And number D is 1 multiply x always x. So How to prove it? Write down the truth table of this also. So for example, first we do the calculation here. For example, we have x. So in x, either 0 or 1, only two values are there, either 0 or either 1. So if our first value is 0, so you can do the calculation. 0 multiply 0 always 0. But if we take the 1, so 0 multiply x is our 1, so 1 is equal to 0. So it's proof here. If you write down the x is 0, then your answer is 0. If you write down the multiply with 1, then also your answer is 0. But yeah, for example, your next is 1 multiply x is equal to x. So here 1 multiply, for example, first time our value is 0, so is equal to 0, and 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. So how to write down the truth table of these four? So you can just write down 0 x. Why 0x? Because here in this term, in this postulate, we take 0 plus x is equal to x. So you can write down 0 x, and here is your response. So you can 0 always 0, okay, but x is your 0 either 1. So when you do the plus, so your answer is always 0 and 1. So your response are 0 and 1 here. So this is the truth table of your A. And now we make the truth table of B also. So in B, what is this? 1 plus x. 1 plus x is equal to 1. So how to make the truth table of this? So you can write down 1 and x and response. These are the headings. 1 always 1, 1, and x is your 0 either 1. So 1 plus 0 always 1, and 1 plus 1 always 1. So this is the truth table for your B part. 1 plus x is equal to always 1. And now the truth table of C. In C, what is the C statement? C statement means 0 multiply x is equal to always 0. So write down the truth table here. You in C, you first take 0, and then you can write down x, and then you can write down response here. So 0 always 0, but in x either 0 or 1. So 0 multiply always 0, and 0 multiply 1 always 0. So this is the truth table of properties of 0 and 1. Now we make the truth table for the D, and your D is 1 multiply x. 1 multiply x is equal to 0. So you can write down 1 x and response here. After that, 1 is always 1, 1. So x is your 0 or 1. So 1 multiply 0 always 0, and 1 multiply 1 always 1. So these are the four properties of your 0 and 1. Clear everyone? So now we take the second law. Now we take the second law here. In second law, second is our idempotence law. Second law is your first is your properties of 0 and 1. Your first law is properties of 0 and 1. And now our second law is independence of law. Independence of law. Independence law, first is x plus x is equal to x, and second law says that x multiply x always x. So write down the truth table for this. x. So you can write down x here, again write down x here, and here you can write down response. So x is your 0 either 1, 0 either 1, x is 0 or 1. So when you plus 0 always 0. So x and response both are the same. This x and r the both are the same. And now 1 plus 1 always 1. So response and your x value is all same. So we can say x plus x always x. But write down the two table of x multiply x is equal to x. So you can just write down x here, here x again, and then write down response. So for example, x is 0 or 1. Now 0 multiply 0 always 0, and 1 multiply 1 always 1. So you can check it here. X and response both are the same. So x multiply x always x. So this response always equivalent to x. And now second is your 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. So this response and this is your 1. So you can check it. Always your response is x. So hence it prove it कि x plus x always x and x multiply x always x. Clear everyone? So in this video, today's we learn basic postulate of Boolean logic, for basic laws. Your first is if x not is equal to 0 then x is equal to 1, and if x is equal to 1 then x is equal to 0. And your second postulate is or relations, and your third is and relations, you can say logical multiplication, and third postulate is complement rules. After that we learned in this video principles of duality, and in principle of duality we learn changing each or sign to and and sign to or sign, and always replacing 0 by 1 and 1 replacing by the 0. After that we learn two basic laws here. One is your properties of 0 and 1 laws. In this we learned for 0 plus x always x and 1 plus x always 1, and we have also proved it here. And your third is 0 multiply x is equal to 0 and 1 multiply x is equal to x here. And after that we learn independence law. In independence law we learn to x plus x always x and x multiply x always x here. So in next video we learn more about the laws. And thank you so much for today's video.